I clearly see a phone. I see typing. You know your driver's on the phone, right? If I were in a taxi and the driver was using the phone, I can clearly see a lit up phone screen there. I'd get out and change my taxi.
Excuse me, yeah, can I ask what the filming's for? It's about road safety. Road safety? Yeah. I see. Oh, that makes more sense.
I was catching a phone driver just in front of you.
Are you?
Yeah, you know, I'm the guy who catches all the phone drivers. Cycling Mikey, yes.
Oh, that's you.
So they're more interested in me, but you guys just provided the beauteous horses.
Wait, are you the guy that reports all the phone drivers to the police? I see.
What's your YouTube?
Cycling Mikey. You often see me in the park skating with a young lad who has Down syndrome. The young Pakistani. I know quite a few of your colleagues. Have a lovely day.
Have a good day.
You too. Yeah, so she had seen my videos or copies of my videos on TikTok, but she didn't know me. Funny enough, I know most of her colleagues because I see them regularly in the park.
Yeah, we feel like you're very famous. No?
You can't put this on TV.
Yeah.
But please come through, please. Sorry. But it's not going to happen. But they started messaging me for I'm a celebrity, get me out of here. I'm the wrong person for that. I didn't even want to do it, but so you can't. That's off the record, though. But the emails have dried up, so I know it's not happening.